I'm flying. Natin ang donut. O, diba? Ang boarding. Ayan po yung Krabi Airport nila. Diba ang cute? Oh, diba ang cute? So, sa ating Krabi, ayan po yung view chart. Ayan yung tubig natin. Isolated tayo sa island. So, damihan natin ng dadalhin doon. Hello everyone, ayan. Dito na tayo at sasakay tayo niyan. Jetty going to island. Going to resort.
Pick up? Is it the way you pick it up?
Resort. Ayan, galing doon sa may mainland. So, going to island. Krabi. Hello, Krabi. I'm back. So nice. Ayun yung Krabi. Yung mga stone.
You hope enjoy as well your Adi have. We hope enjoy as well your Adi.
Just hala, nice. It's good, yeah. So nice.
Welcome to Everyday Canada. It's just me hand gallon for the lady, please.
Okay.
Hand gallon. And this one is our fresh coconut water with lump sorbet.
Okay.
Recommend to download the hotel application. It really helpful for planning your stay. You can find the resort map, restaurant menu, activity, even chat with our team. Okay. You can find the family magazine also. Okay. So please take your time and settle in. My team will come to help you for check-in and then explain more.
The reception and guest service lounge. Reception and guest service lounge, we have the staff here, 24 hours standby. You can do contact by the phone call in the room, contact number 0. And this one will be your mobile application. That's going to help you a lot about hotel information, restaurant, housekeeping section, activity center, boutique shop, or you like to contact the registration card, then please allow me to do the map orientation. Because the hotel is quite big, in 26 acres. Then necessary to give you some tips or some detail how to walk in this property. May I rotate the map, please? It's really like this. You can easier to see. They put the sunlight here for relax during the day. Kayak, paddleboard available in water sports center. And the staff will be here from 8 o'clock until 5 o'clock evening. This is water sports center. Umbrella tree court with the sunlight and the grotto restaurant. But on the left of the beach, there is one of the restaurant with 2 stories.
Ayan, quick room tour. And this is the sala. Ayan. And may second floor. Paakyat siya sa taas. Ayan. Yung second floor. Hagdanan. May towel dyan. So, may May powder room and coffee, this one. Ayan po yung round table and entrance and TV. So, powder room. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Hindi panuhot. Okay. And powder room. And my outfit going out for dinner. So, ito yung salamin dito. Ayan. And this is the downstairs. So, ito yung outfit ko mag-dinner. May pa-aura-aura sila dyan. Yung, diba, ang laki ng bed. Bed. Chair pala yan. Chair. So, yan ang view natin for this video. Nakakapagod maglakad dito, everyone. Ayan. Jungle siya na vela. Ayan. Dennis. Ayan. So nice here. Ayan yung ibabaw. Ayan yung mga vela. Ang laki dito ng area. How many hectare this one? The land of princess. How many hectare? Oh, I forgot my flower. I must wear. My bracelet. Oh, where is the swimming pool? This one. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Oh, parang soccer field. Ang laki ba ng area?
Let's see. Let's pick two.
Oh, nice this one. Really, really nice. I love it. I love it. This is the area. Perfect.
Oh, this is the big pool here.
Oh, yan ang sunset eh. Oh, got also restaurant there.
Wow.
View everyone. Ang laki ng swimming pool. Oh, ayan oh. Ang seaside. Wow. Wow, fantastic here. I love it. Hala ka nice. Very uy. Ang sand. Bato-bato siya. Pero grabe ka white. Oh, this is the really, really nice here.
This one the railing beach.
This is the really? Hello, kanay sa really. Kaya pala umikot sila doon sa kabila kasi walang access dito, oh. Ayan, dapat iikot pa sila doon para ma-access yung kabilang sea. Ayan. Doon pala ikot, ganon. Tapos sa kabila. Ayan yung food natin sa Krabi. Sa Riley Beach po kami kumain. Ayan po yung food. Yung fish at saka yung pad thai. At saka may papaya salad. So yan po yung signature food sa Thailand. So don't miss it. Everyone, breakfast time and the food here. Ayan, madaming rocks. Pero yung balas ay golden brown. Kasi madami pong nag-ano dito sa gilid ay. Ayan po yung Riley. This is the Riley Beach. So a lot of tourista. Going there. Ayan, madami. This is the one. Uy, and the end. Oh, nice here. That's why they have a lot of people come this end. So, make the swimming here. Ang puti-puti nila. Ayan oh, yung mga stone. Nandito na tayo sa area. Wow! Oh, see? Take. Hala ka, nice! This is the end. Oh, that's it. The end. Yeah, everyone. This one. This is the end. Oh, ayan pinupuntahan nila dito. Yan. Tapos yung doon sa dulo yun. Ayan, ang beach. Dito. Mahaba din siya pag nilalakad. Galing doon sa end of the stone. Papunta dito dahil may tao doon sa cave. Ay, we can go to the cave. Ayan oh, may tao doon sa cave. Umikot-ikot po tayo dito sa Vela. Ayan, ito po yung magandang walking dito, everyone. Dito po sila nag-stop over. So, ikotin natin. First time ko dito maglakad-lakad. Ayan, maraming nakatambay dito. Pag high tide, wala po to. Tataas yung water, hindi pwede malakaran. Kahapon is high tide, hindi kami naglakad. Ngayon lang, oh nice. This is connection to our... Umabot na dito sa bato. Hindi na to pwede malakaran mamaya. Ayan, papunta doon. Pag tumaas yung tubig. Ayan oh. Doon sa dulo ang malaking beach. Yung sand. White. So, ito ay hindi na to malakaran mamaya. Pag tumaas ang tubig. Doon, hanggang doon sa dulo yan. Ayan, umulan na naman. Bad. Magkayak sana ako. Ay, naku. Sukomemo. Hindi ako pwede Ayan po yung ganitong stone. Oh, ang ganda. So, hindi natin isali yung mga tao para hindi tayo sa privacy nila. Yung dagat lang ang videohan. Tingnan mo naman yung paa ko. Ayun, gusto ko pang maligo. Ako magkayak, pero tinabi na. Sayang. Doon ayun, dito na kami sa aming resort. Malapit lang kami dyan sa Stone. Gusto kong magganito ay niligpit na nila. Kasi umulan nga, tapos tataas yung water na. Sayang. Look! Ay! Ayan, layo na namin. Naikot na namin to. Ay! Ayan, sa kabila na kaming side, everyone. Oh, we go there. Woo! I don't want to bugsay. Yung bugsay. Ay, just me, you. Ay, I don't want to bugsay. First time ko katakot. Imbis mag-relax, ayun po yung cave dyan. Pwede pumasok. Ay, wala. Ayun, bahayan siya. Ayan, nandito na kami sa gitna. Ganito po yung krabi. Maraming stone sa gitna. Ayan, mga ganyan. Nice siya, everyone. Diba? Ayun, nagkayak po ako. Ay, katakot. Hindi na ako nagbugsay. Ayan, malapit na tayo dyan sa ayan po yung, hindi na ako nagbugsay-bugsay, barutong gamay. Bugsay, barutong gamay. Bugsay. Ayan po yung mga mountain. Galing tayo doon sa likod niyan. Ayan, iwan ko saan kami pupunta. Nakakatakot na, nanginginig na ako. Ay, hindi na ako nagbubugsay. Ayan mo siya, magbugsay. The resort. Ayun, ang haba. Laki ng resort na to. Hanggang doon, yung may swimming pool din doon sa kabila. Malaki po siya. So, this is the land of princess. Ang laki ng resort nila. So, ayan po yung mga stone. Nandito na tayo sa gitna ng karagatan. So, ano na, gusto mo pang mag-action-action? Ganito pala, first time ko everyone. Nakakatakot siya, nanginginig na ako. Hala, ayan, umikot na. Okay. Ayan, nakala ko pupunta siya doon sa town, Krabi Town. Layo na yun ha. O, ito lang, ikot tayo, reverse. And reverse. Reverse. Okay. Hindi ako marunong mag-reverse. Ayan ang mga mountains sa likod. Pwede magkayak doon, kaso lang ayoko na malayo. Hoy! What is this? Tama na. Uwi na tayo. Baka may ano dito, yung ano, ikot. Oh. I know the road. We go there on inside. This one will have the road. We go there? Really? Really? I know, I saw the road. Okay. Hala, nakakatakot. Ayan o. Slowly. Hala, dumaan kami sa gitna ng mga limestone. Limestone ba to? Basta yun na yun. Ayun po yung ano natin resort. So bumalik na tayo. Umikot lang tayo everyone. So have a fun. Nice experience. Ayan dyan sa loob. Good morning everyone and my ginger tea and oats and greeny and let's eat another breakfast for today's video. Ayan, let's eat everyone. Ayan, pang dalawang order na to. Ang sarap-sarap daw ng steak. Tatay, again. Tatay, and papaya salad. Okay, let's eat. Everyone, ayan, check. Go back to the mainland. This is the view. Nice.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you again.
Yeah. Ayan, we are here. You sit there. Airport.
Bye, Cindy.
So nice. I love it. Bye. Ayun oh, the limestone. Yeah. Wow. the shark? Coming, got the dolphin. Oh, have the dolphin here. Ah, yun. Ayun siya. Oh, yun, dolphin. Oh, but we are close. Now, relax. Mag-tour muna tayo. Kasi may dolphin dumaan. Bawal istorbohin, no? Oh, it's there already. It's there. Right. We are already close. Oh, dolphin. Oh, it's there, the dolphin. Coffee sa airport. Bye, Krabi. Back home. There's already ang airport sa... Where is the gate? Bye, Krabi. Nice. Nice ang airport sa Krabi. Ayan.